Today I'm sharing insights into Healthier Choice Management's ticker symbol HCMC stock movements and how to leverage it for more profits, plus insights into the recently released financial reports and an update on their lawsuit with Philip Morris. And per this Yahoo Finance stock chart, shows a beta of 107.34, indicating that this stock moves 107 times more than the average stock market does. Previously, I released my first video on HCMC on July 10th. Penny stocks overall are having a tough time this year. You can see this by looking at the small cap stock chart for the Russell 2000. The RUT rose from 1,096 on March 30th, 2020 to a high of 2,312 on March 31st, 2021, and since then has been gradually drifting down. This is in a large part due to the Rona and the fear of inflation causing rising interest rates, and growth stocks, especially penny stocks with expected profitability way out in the future, are getting hit the hardest, hitting penny stock valuations and stock prices. Here's a tip for those making short-term trades with HCMC. Look at this 10-day, 30-minute stock chart. You'll notice that the chart shows after-hours trading between the two narrow dotted lines at the end of each day. It's interesting to note that the stock price pops up consistently after hours. Clearly, day traders are taking advantage of these movements. Of course, there's no guarantee that this will continue. HCMC recently released updated quarterly financials and some great insights about the company. The great news is shown here on this Simply Wall Street graph that HCMC has sufficient cash runway for more than 3 years based on its cash numbers of $29.4 million. This is based on if the cash flow continues to grow at a historic rate of 32.3% each year. But first, before we continue, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on this video, letting me know you'd like to see more updates on HCMC. And remember, this is not financial advice and for entertainment only. Just a quick reminder, if you're not familiar with HCMC, first, let's take a quick look at HCMC and what they do. Healthier Choices Management Corp is based in Hollywood, California, and provides e-liquids, vaporizers, and related products. The company operates through two segments, vapor and grocery. Its vaporizers are battery-powered that enable users to inhale nicotine vapor. The company operates 8 retail vape stores in the southeastern U.S., including Ada's Natural Market Organic Grocery Store. HCMC also sells vitamins and supplements on its website, thevitaminstore.com, and on Amazon. Back to HCMC's current financial report. You can see here that their income report showed a slight improvement from June of 2020 to June of 2021, and the gross profit had a better positive improvement for the same quarter. Although their all-important cash flow raised from their own operations and their free cash flows are still negative, it is reduced compared to June of last year. HCMC did indicate a hit to their sales due to the reduced Rona foot traffic in stores. Net vapor sales decreased to $1.2 million for the 6 months ending June 30th, 2021, compared to $1.3 million for the same period in 2020. Net grocery sales decreased to $5.6 million for the 6 months ended June 30th, 2021, compared to $6.1 million for the same period in 2020. Vapor cost of goods sold for the 6 months ended June 30th, 2021 and 2020 were $0.5 million and saw a decrease of $0.1 million. The decrease is primarily due to a decrease in sales and product costs. Gross profit was $0.7 million and $0.8 million for the 6 months ending June 30th, 2021 and 2020 respectively. Grocery cost of goods sold for the 6 months ending June 30th, 2021 and 2020 were $3.4 million and $3.7 million respectively, a decrease of $0.3 million. Gross profit was $2.2 million and $2.3 million for the 6 months ending June 30th, 2021 and 2020. Total operating expenses decreased $0.4 million for the 6 months ending June 30th, 2021 compared to June 2020. Regarding HCMC's patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris, they previously submitted a proposed order that they want the judge to sign and confirm that HCMC is granted to refile the amended complaint. This was an issue that came up when HCMC's attachment J caused problems. This means that we'll have a motion to move forward once the paperwork is signed and dated by the judge. We hope to see this signed and dated by the judge at some point over the next month or possibly several months. I always love hearing from you, so please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about HCMC, or if there's anything I missed. I'd also love to hear about any other stocks that you are liking right now. So go here to review the other videos in our HCMC playlist, as well as another hot stock you'll want to know about.